At least you have more than one color on you now.
It's bullshit.
More of this paint will come out when you wash it.
That's fucking water or oil based, so yeah, I would think so. If not, I'm just gonna toss this. It's bleached anyway, so it's like whatever. Fuck it. Fuck it. And you never liked these jeans to begin. These were my old painting jeans working for Adams anyway. What?
You like paint on your knees?
Yeah. Fuck this. Fuck this.
Yeah, honey, we still have to move.
Why don't you give your wife a kiss and make it all better?
No, I was about to tell her, you know what? What you're saving on the floor, you can pay someone to pick the shit up and bring it over because this is bullshit.
I can feel the
Someone
love.
hitting my floor? Is that what you're saying?